It's a live update here in the workshop. Jeep Compass suspension review. Just working on the steering ball ends to make sure the car has a stability and a strong movement. This is the caliper, a brake disc or rotor disc, and the shock absorber. Here comes stabilizer link, the lower arm, and the stabilizer bar. Then this is the drive shaft. So this is it. It's live update from the workshop. We will try and bring you all the update. So just subscribe to my channel and stay updated. We have a lot for you. So the slogan is #WeGoDoAm. Subscribe now for the next tutorial.